Let's take a look at a city. What do we find here? Plenty of people, some wildlife, probably a river nearby, sidewalks, crosswalks, and cars, drains, buildings and roofs, and lots of roads. It's a wonderful place to be, but all this stuff we've built is causing problems. By laying down asphalt, concrete, and roofs everywhere, we've changed how the water moves when it rains. Before that city was here, rain would be absorbed directly into the soil and filtered very slowly to a stream or river. In an urban environment, rain, which we call stormwater, can't reach the soil. Instead, it runs over our water-resistant surfaces, picking up all sorts of pollutants down into a drain and is flushed into the nearest water body. One of these pollutants is phosphorus. Phosphorus comes from leaves that fall off of trees and the fertilizers that people put on their yards for grass and plants. Too much of it in the rivers and streams can lead to the growth of invasive plants, poor homes for fish, and blooms of toxic algae that are dangerous for animals and people. What can we do about it? One solution comes from looking back at how water drains in nature. Soil acts like a filter for all the stuff in water. So what if we redirected stormwater into nature-based filters as part of our drains? This is an infiltration trench. If we look at the drainage built with a road, here's what we'd find. There's a storm drain at the surface that leads to a catch basin. Stormwater falls into this space and fills it up until there's enough water to flow out the exit pipe and off into the rest of the drainage network. Anything in the water goes with it. An infiltration trench is a simple solution that adds onto these existing pieces. First, a long hole is dug next to the storm drain. A pipe with many holes all over it is attached near the bottom of the catch basin. Then the hole is filled with crushed stone. When it rains, the dirtiest first flush of stormwater falls into the basin, out the pipe, and through the holes. It will leave some phosphorus behind to filter into the stone space. Any additional water will then flow out of the catch basin and down into a river. Slowly, over time, the phosphorus left behind will be filtered by the ground, just like it might in nature. These trenches are one of the cheapest ways to reduce phosphorus pollution in rivers. And after installation, they completely disappear under the road, like all of our drains. Each trench is a small change to a city. But combined with other kinds of green infrastructure like rain gardens and wetlands, the system, built over a large area, makes a big difference. All of the small changes we make will help keep our waterways cleaner for us and all of the plants and animals that need it.